I just used a scroll of fireball. This should be fine. Phew, those witches were tough. Let's open this chest to claim our reward. Let's try and lockpick the chest. What even is adept? The common definition is something like, someone proficient or skilled at something. But what does it mean in this context? Wow, I was so far away. Okay, think it could be a little higher. Okay, a bit higher now. Let's try 71. Okay, let's try 180. Okay, think really low this time, 10. Taking everything, I need it all. Okay, I think I killed everyone here. What a rush. Now, what was I doing again? I'm taking everything. As per usual. Map time. I'm going to fast travel just to Dragon's Reach because I'm lazy. Do you think that I'm ADHD? I don't think that I am. Even if I was, I'd be a really cool kind of ADHD.
Dragons, ain't no matter to me what I kill. Let them come.
You Whiterun Guard's helmet equipped. Do I blend in now?